Hello all, it's Quick 5 and let's continue the topic, matter and chemical formulae. In the previous video, which you can see above in the top right corner, yes, in the top right corner, you can access my previous video from there. So as I was saying, in the previous video, we learned about water molecules and in today's video, we are going to learn about properties of atoms. Thank you for the applause. An atom is the smallest unit that has the characteristic properties of a substance. It is the smallest unit which has the characteristic properties of a substance, which has properties. You all know, you all must be knowing about what are properties. So it says this sentence here means that an atom is the smallest unit. That means one or zero, we can say one of the entire number system. It is the smallest unit that has the properties of a substance, the qualities, or can be identified as a substance. It cannot be seen by unaided eyes or even with a standard microscope. You cannot see this atom, you cannot see these atoms with a normal microscope. You will need an electron microscope. Yes, an electron microscope. Please note that down. You will need an electron microscope to view the atoms and the subatomic particles inside the atoms. In solids, atoms are tightly packed together. In liquids, they are loosely packed, whereas in gases, there is a lot of space between them. This again, I had explained it in the first video, I think. Yes, in the first video, in the topic of matter, which you can see in the top right corner. Top right corner. This is just a small video. It doesn't introduce something new which we can learn, but it's still the question and answer which is asked in every single exam related to matter and chemical formulae. List the properties of atom, or you can also write these points in what are atoms or what is atom. You can also write these points in lines, not preferably in points but in lines, when while answering the question, what are atoms. And yeah, it's just a small video. I'll explain this photo. You can see it has many orbits, so these are the orbits, and this orange, I think it's orange or red, these red electrons which you can see are revolving at a very high speed. And what they do with all the electrons revolving around the nucleus, it creates a force which binds the protons and neutrons together inside the nucleus. And if electrons are not there, then the nucleus will break apart. It's just a small tip today. Thank you, everyone. Yeah, sorry. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you suggest any other topics to quick5ytb@gmail.com, or if you have any queries related to this chapter or any chapter in science, social maths, anywhere, then make sure you mail us at quick5ytb@gmail.com. We will be active in the response. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day. Make sure you learn this quickly, learn these chapters like understandingly. Don't go in a hurry, don't be in a rush, because these points, this chapter entirely itself is very important. Happy learning, enjoy learning. That's all for today. Thank you, and make sure you like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon so that you can be updated with our latest videos. And no more talking. Thank you and have a nice day. I've said that 3 times.